you done lectures today?
Yes, very hectic day.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, please, sit. Let me get you something cold to drink.
Thanks.
I'm coming.
Hello, Ma.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Who are you, if I may ask?
My name is Mike.
Oh.
Yes, and I'm a course mate with Nancy.
Really?
Yes, we're in the same department.
Who are your parents?
My father's name is Andrew, and my mother is late, and...
Oh, you are the son of Senator Andrew Williams. Oh, actually, I was there during your mother's funeral. That was pathetic. Yeah, you are like your father. Sit down, my dear.
Thank you.
You are like your father. Actually, I was with him last week in a party conference in Abuja. Oh.
Ma, I'm sorry, I think there's a little confusion here. My father is actually called Andrew Ibigwe and not Williams. And certainly he's not a senator, he's a tailor.
What? And what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Does that look like a lecture room or a tailoring shop to you?
Mom, can you please not embarrass my housemate?
Shut up. I can see you have no respect for me anymore by bringing a nobody to my house, all in the name of a classmate. Is he the only classmate you have? Young man.
Yes, ma'am.
Now leave my house. Before I set it up on you, I said out. Go out the way you came in. Out!
Yes.
Stupid.
I cannot believe you.
Ash, come back here. Stupid.
Oh shit, bruh. They just messed with your Eddie Hardy shoes, man. Damn, man. They just messed with my shoes. You want a new pair? Hell yeah, nigga. I want a new pair. Oh Lord, I hate people with talent. Let's go get you a new pair.
Give me the ball.
Huh? You hear that? Little Albino wants the ball. You want the ball? Come get it. You want the ball? Come get the ball. You know what? Let me handle this business first. Guys are pussies. Okay, so I heard you guys really love the game. So let's see how many of you is in love with the game right now.
Don't it happen like that? Eh?
Huh?
Don't it happen like that?
Motherfucker! What were you doing out there? What were you doing? You're trying to be competition? The only competition I have is 6 feet down. And they will stay like that. Nigga, this is my court. My kingdom. I run the streets. I catch you around here again, you will die, you understand?
Koi!
What? What you trying to do?
Why are you holding him?
What? Pretty boy,
Let him be! Come on!
what? Pretty boy, what you trying to do?
Why are you all holding him? What you holding him for?
Leave me! You guys are not in love with the game anymore.
Let's see what you get.
You know what? Run them out of the court.
It's okay. Run them out. Get out of the car.
Nigga, shut them out this game. Please, motherfucker. Yeah! 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 How we get? How we get? Hey!
I say no be lie, no be everybody. When sleep for night, you wake up, see the light here. See the future is bright here. I need the enter for eye. Make you do your best here. Papa God go handle the rest here. Even if you don't get money, they don't need a shit body. No need to make your body. If you know be God way, that's on baby dead body. Nobody be now, baby. When you fall, you go stand up again. You try him again and again and again. Cause it's not easy, yeah. So they sing and they dance and the people they rejoice, yeah. My brother, my sister. If you go to a party, and then we get down, yeah. Baba God, now you're in lucky, yeah. Bring it back. Even if you don't get money, they call leadership body. Cause the way you text the company, if you know the code way, that's some baby that body. Nobody living out there. I want to fall, you go stand up again. You try them again and again, cause it's not easy, yeah. So they sing and they dance and the people they rejoice, yeah.
What are you boning? Hi guys.
Sweetie. Hi. Man, see ya, Mike.
Yes, sir.
Start your line. Roll.
Who are you boning?
Maybe this short stuff of a person who thinks because he has a gun on campus he can run everybody down.
A gun? Who has a gun?
See them, look at them, he and his boys. They just think they are the shit, they're so jealous of us. He's part of this cult on this campus, he just think he can just kill everybody here.
Cult? Cult? Aren't you scared? Cult? What's a cult? My God, are you out of your mind?
Sweetie, there are a lot of them around here, just keep it low.
My God, I
can handle it, sweetie.
Can you please leave this place now that you're done with your training? My goodness, I cannot believe you're not scared.
It's fine.
Can we leave?
Let's go.
My God.
Let me get my bag. Let's go.
I cannot believe you're not done.
Do I blame you? I don't blame you. Huh? All you know is how to waste my money without knowing how much I toiled to get this money. To read your books? Mbano, you can't. Look at the shameful result you get for your work. Huh?
Who are you scolding again?
I swear, block-headed sister Ndidi. Huh? I told you, this girl is a failure. The work result is now out.
She didn't pass her papers?
Check it from her now.
Let me see.
Give me.
You're a disgrace.
Is she?
You didn't even get 2 credits.
Oh.
Not even 2?
Is she?
So what have you been doing? You only got credit in Igbo. And that's because I'm sure they just decided to dash it to you because you speak the language. What's wrong with you?
Indeed, it's okay. I mean, you don't have to kill yourself. Maybe you'll try again.
Auntie, I tried my best. I did all I could, but I don't know, I'm tired.
No, you can't be tired because quitters are failures. Just dust yourself up and try again. That's the word.
Auntie, I know, but the problem is that my father will not give me another money for my work.
Do you blame him? Will you blame him?
Oh.
Okay. Mike is going to be coming to my house tomorrow. I will give him money to give to you for your work phone.
Auntie, thank you.
Me?
Thank you.
Come to your house. I don't get that time. I beg. May I go shower?
Now, please, now.
It's okay.
My guy, I don't understand. This guy they call himself Supremo of an idiot. He just did threaten me. Left, right, center. Everywhere I go past, he go threaten me. For what? Because him say, what I do?
Mike, are you not in this school? You talk as if you don't know this guy. Can't you see that it's obvious that this guy is fucking jealous of you?
Bam.
The guy they vex now, they jealous, they worry.
Jealousy, bad belly people, no problem. Jealousy is allowed, but do your own. Make people see your own and appreciate your own. Come do one, may we see. Leave person, make person do your own, follow the go. Do your own.
Everybody know this guy for this campus. We know what he's capable of doing. This guy will go any fucking length to make sure that guy, you come up for road for him.
It won't happen.
It happen.
It won't happen. Don't make me be Mike.
Now you know.
Don't make me be Mickey. Don't feel my swagger.
Wow,
feel up. You know what happened? Ha.
One thing I know, Mama, I know say God there outside. For this game. For this game, we don't win now. Forget this guy. They just do. Mama, we are there. Huh? Just there, man.
No problem. You know, may I just go crash?
No, nothing to you, man. Just.
I'll see you for training grounds.
I love my
Chop
brother.
knuckles.
No wahala, man. Just start up a bit.
Chop up. I go crash tomorrow. Prepare yourself, oh.
Nah, nothing to you now. I don't forget. I dey come out now.
What has come over you, my dear, that you went ahead to threaten a fellow student, knowing fully well that both of you have equal rights?
I didn't threaten anybody. You know, we had a little altercation, if you like, and then now I spoke to him man to man. How was I to know that he ran here like a scared little kitten? Chatting shit.
Just watch yourself talk. You even have the nerves to sit there and lie to me. Now, get out. Come, listen. And listen good. When this happens next time, I won't take it lightly. Your father's relationship with the VC and his position in the state is none of my business. This is school, and it's all school affairs. If you want to wield powers, you go back home and do that. Is that clear?
Crystal.
Now get out.
What kept you so long?
Girl, I got in there and overheard them discussing on how the dean shouted on the almighty Supremo this morning.
Really?
Yes. And I think it's about this Nuga competition.
He deserves it. I mean, sentiments apart. He's such a terrible person.
Well, I feel he's envious of Mike.
Betty, can we discuss people who are leaving and forget about the dead?
Okay.
When I back my car anyway.
There.
I love the game, but they just won't let me play.
Nancy, let's go.
Bye. Oh, I'll call you back. Bye. Bye. Wait, hey. Mike, you've laid your complaint, and everybody have heard you. But you have to take things easy. I mean, don't turn this thing into a larger battlefield than what it is already. That guy is insane. I mean, picking up a ball and burning it to flames, that's madness. It obviously shows he has something up his sleeves. Why don't you just let this go, please? Just back out and let things be.
Nancy, I don't care what he intends to do. or who he thinks he is. He should put the gun down and face me like a man. He should just face me, put the gun down and face me. That's what I'm saying. I am the team leader of this team. The school authorities give me that authority. And I'm taking my team to the competition. I will not step down for him or for anyone.
What do you stand to gain, Mike? What do you stand to gain from this competition? Fine! 2 years, you won the Nuga game. All over the papers, magazines, radios, and television.
Like I didn't deserve it?
You did deserve it, Mike. But not at the expense of your life. You have to let this go. Michael, I love you. I love you so much, and I'm only saying this for your own safety. Forget about the games and face your studies. Please, I beg you.
Nancy, I will not step down for him or for anyone. This is my team and we are going to the competition and we will win. Period. Now, can we stop talking about this? I'm done with this conversation. Can we go? Thank you.
Sir, I have already reported this case to the security.
But I think it's important that you also get to know about it. It's about Supremo. We were training on the basketball court. He came there, got the ball, and put it on fire.
What?
And I think this is a very serious case that you need to know about.
This same boy again. Doesn't he think of his future? What will become of him if he leaves the institution without a certificate? No. The VC must hear of this. This boy is becoming too much out of hand. And we'll just have to check him before he gets totally out of hand. Like I said, the VC must hear of this. And if care is not taken, he will face the Senate this time around. Don't worry.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry.
Okay, I'll leave now.
Okay. Huh? Solomon Peters Mohalu. Are you the only student in the school? Are you?
The allegation that have been leveled against you, is it true? I ask you, is it true?
It's not true.
What? When I have enough evidence before me to prove it? I think you are a big disappointment. Upon all I did for you, not to get expelled from the school because of my relationship with your father, you don't take my leniency for cowardice. No, I would not accept that. All right? And I want to tell you and your father right here that this is a school issue and not a bloody political forum. Get that into your head. Now get out of my office. Get out, you good for nothing boy. I said leave. Stupid boy.
I just saw him walking out of your office without showing any remorse. From all indications, that young man meant all his actions. Does it mean that his case is beyond our control?
Not exactly, Mr. Ahmed.
For Christ's sake, sir, this young man is supposed to abide by the rules and regulations of this institution.
Calm down. Let us think of what to do to help him, okay? Let's encourage him to raise a parallel team that will contest alongside Mike's team.
Won't that cause another havoc? Is there anything you are afraid of?
Oh, come on, Mr. Ahmed.
Remember, this young man went as far as setting fire on the school board, in spite of my advice and warning.
You are right, Mr. Ahmed. But I still insist that we should make him be a competitor. Yes. So that if he fails in the end, he will have nobody to blame.
All right, sir. Your wish is always my command. But, sir, remember, this is not the best way to treat students.
Oh, come on, Mr. Ahmed. Watch your tongue.
I'm sorry, sir.
Better be. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
So, Michael, you mean to tell me that all you do in the school is to learn how to play basketball? Instead of you, Michael, to concentrate on what you went there to do. How? I toiled day in and day out so as to send you to school and to put you in line with your mates so that in future you take care of me. Have you forgotten your family background? Look at your sister. Look at her. Who will train her in future? It is you, Michael. Oh, Michael, why have you decided to be a disappointment to your father?
Papa, why are you saying all of this now? Why are you saying this?
Amadio, strike that your lying lips.
If you just calm down, I will explain to you what is happening. Basketball has done things for me now.
You see?
Just calm down.
What do you want to explain? What do you want to explain? You want to explain that I sent you to school to go and learn how to play basketball?
Please now, Papa.
Allow me to talk to him. Talk sense in him. Anyway, I know what to do. Tomorrow, I shall be in your school and talk to your principal.
Papa, you're not going anywhere. Please. And besides, he's being called VC, not principal.
Whatever he is being called, I don't care. All I want him to understand is that he should listen to me properly. Look at him. He wants to send me to my early grave.
But stop all this now, eh? Neighbors are listening, please.
Neighbors, he wants to disgrace me. Now, I will disgrace him first. Yes, I'll disgrace him first. Huh? No, leave me. Huh?
Hello? Oh, really? Oh my gosh, that's very wonderful. In a month's time? Does that mean we should be expecting you? Oh, good then. Oh, she's right here with me. Okay, till then. Good. Take good care of yourself, alright? Bye.
Who is that?
Guess who?
Mom, you know I can't guess. Who is that?
Your elder brother. He's coming here in a month's time. He has 1 good month to spend with us.
A whole month?
Yeah, how about that?
I hope you didn't forget to ask him to buy me some goodies.
Oh my gosh. What goodies? I beg you.
Mom.
Young woman, give me a break. Wait till he comes, alright? Can't give me water to drink.
Mom, you have to call him back and ask him to buy me some good things.
I sure will. Just go and give me water to drink.
Promise. Promise.
I promise. I promise. Gosh, I can't believe it. I can't wait. Yes!
Look at you now. Didn't I warn you? All you had to do was take the money. But no, you wanted to be all that. Huh? What were you feeling like, LeBron James? MVP? Huh? I told you I'd run this shit, didn't I?
Free me.
Free you?
Free me.
Free you. I'm gonna be all up in you. I'll be no ass till you're deceased.
Free me now. Free me.
Come back, eh?
You can't.
I thought you said he had all the sport.
Eh?
What are you doing? What she do? Get this bitch!
No!
Damn hot. Now, my brother, tell me something. Now that fool, that biggest fool, Supremo, has been awarded a new team. Now, what next now? What will be the next level? Tell me now.
What will be your fear?
Me? Fear who now? Nah.
Maybe me be Miko.
Miloski. Can you get the swag, everything? I don't feel you, my brother.
At the end of the day, I pity. I pity him because at the end of the day, he go make himself a big fool. Because we, no matter what, we know say,
Jare. Are you be Miko now?
I be Miko.
The greatest Miko, Michael Jordan of our day.
I be Miko.
Now you get the ball. Now you get the ball, mama. But free. Forget. Now we get this game.
My Lord Supremo, this nigga game stuff is more like a Boy Scout competition. Let's just forget it. We have a lot of things to do in this school. And we have a lot of runs to tidy. Undiscovered runs. Let's do away with it.
You know, honest, I told you before, you need to think like a chess player. That's what you need to do. Anticipate the other person's move and make a move. Every move you make, you must understand and builds you an opportunity. What is the opportunity in this one? A chance to fix our dented image. Our image is messed up, big time. And don't forget the people you meet here, the people you're going to meet out there. And there's a word after school. We need big business. But right now, we're bad business. You understand? This is a little chance for us to get a little fame and fortune. Get a little recognition. Not only from the States, but maybe from the federal as well. You understand? And apart from that, the love of the game. I love this game. And I can take out any motherfucker on the court any day. Dude, we're men of the dark. And we always win. There's nothing wrong with a little light shining in darkness once in a while. So you'll be seen. You understand? Because what we do, everything that goes under will continue to go on. What we need to do is repair the surface a little bit.
But what I'm trying to say is,
Finest. I don't know what your problem is. But you see this game? I want to play this game. I love to play this game. So if you don't want to play the game, man, just buzz off.
what I'm trying to say.
Why are you always negative? Huh? Why? When it comes to things that will raise your rank, your profile, you always want to back down. Why? Man, we love playing this game. I too want to play, just for the fun of it. I mean...
Then are we going to kill ourselves on this game? Let's just face, we have a lot of problems to face.
Hey, shut up. Hear one more word from me. I'll play you like the game. Yeah? Now shut up and drink beer. The only reason we invite you is to drink beer. Drink beer.
This is a marathon. Did you enjoy this day?
Yeah.
Mrs. Kema.
That's me.
The Honorable Mrs. Kema of our constituency.
You've seen her here live.
The only female in the house.
Who else if not me?
You are full of presents.
Thank you, Chief. Hi, Chief Peters Moalo.
Yes.
The unshakable PTP state chairman.
That's me.
The only state chairman who knows how to select and not elect.
You can say that again.
Hey, Chief, you did wonderfully well today. Believe me, I was just admiring you when you were delivering your speech in the conference hall. Hey, even His Excellency was admiring you.
Really?
Chief, you were like, man, I'm so proud of you. I really saw the man in you today.
You know, leadership is not an easy thing. By the way, madam, did not come with your official car. What happened? And who is the girl inside the car?
Chief, 2 questions at a go. Which one do I answer first? However, my driver had an emergency call this morning. His wife has put to bed, so he had to run to his family to see them. Then I was left with no option than to let that my queen, my angel there, drive me down here.
Wait a minute. You mean the girl inside the car is your daughter?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, my God. Mrs. Kema. So you have a grown-up girl like this, and you didn't let us know. You have deceived us. So.
You mean you can't recognize Nancy? Hey, she's grown that big. She's even in her 4th year in University of Nigeria in Soka.
Wow.
Yeah.
She's in her 4th year.
Yeah, that's right.
Why don't you bring her so that I will know her?
Sure. Let me call her to say hello to you.
Honorable Mrs. Kema. Wow!
Okay.
Wow!
That's my angel.
Kema, Isonanda Wobudu.
My father.
Woman of substance. Good day, my dear. How are you?
I'm beautiful.
This is Chief Moralo, our state chairman.
It's nice to meet you, sir. My mother has said a lot about you.
That's okay, my dear. Your father was my very good friend. She also told me that you are in your 4th year in the university.
Yes.
I also have a son in the same university.
Really?
Yes, my 2nd son, Solomon.
You never mentioned him to me.
What's his name, sir?
Solomon Peters Moalo. He's studying political science. Yes. You might not know him because he's on the quiet side. And very brilliant too, and handsome.
Yeah, I haven't come across such name at all.
Chief, Are you now saying my Dora here is not beautiful? I mean, check her out.
Mom.
My angel!
I know, I've already seen all. She has it all. But don't just start. Don't worry, dear. One of these days I will arrange for all of us to meet, okay?
All right. That'll be fine.
Mrs. Kema, let me run along.
Thank you.
This whole thing is getting me worked up. God, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I mean, come to think of it, Nancy could be right. But why do I want to kill myself over something I know will not yield me any penny? Look at me now. I'm writing my project, but it is delayed due to my situation. I'm a student, and by now I should have my own apartment. But here I am in my father's house due to the lack of money. Nancy has been trying, doing her best for me. She loves me, but there's a limit to any woman's endurance, and I cannot depend on her for the rest of my life. Despite Solomon's arrogance and selfishness, he's offering me 500,000 naira just like that. I mean, money is money no matter where it's from. Mike, wake up and let go of your pride. Yeah, I think it's about time I act like an Igbo man. I mean, 500,000 can do a lot in my world. No. My image is worth more. Nobody can buy my conscience. Like they say, a poor man is not a man without money, but a man without dreams. And I have a dream. Solomon, to hell with your money. I need to make my people proud. The school has my confidence. and I will not take it for granted. This is my time, no inferiority complex, and no divided attention. Yes.
Sir, that your decision was very splendid. As soon as we separated the boys, both groups started training vigorously because no one would like to be left behind.
I knew it was going to be like that. So when are you embarking on your visit to the training grounds?
That is why I've come here, sir. First, I will visit both captains to know when we'll come to the court.
Well, I suggest you do that first, so as to know the level of our preparations.
Yes, sir.
We're not the only school getting ready for these games. Other schools are not sleeping.
In that case, sir, you have nothing to worry about. We've done it before. We intend doing it this time. And we'll do it again for keeps.
Mr. Ahmed, you sound so confident. What gives you this confidence?
Sir, this is what we know how to do best. Why wouldn't I be confident?
Honestly, I'm grateful. I just hope your wishes will come to pass.
They will, sir.
Wish you the very best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
My school fees, my feed. Please take all. But please, spare my life.
Shut up! Don't go making a fool of yourself with your miserable school fees thinking that we're robbers.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
I'm sure you already know who we are.
Oh, you don't know us?
I know you. I know you.
Yes. I'm glad to hear that you know us now. And I'm sure you know what we are capable of doing on this campus. Look at this. This is a gun. If I pull this trigger, in less than a second, a bullet will leave this chamber and sink into your vital parts, which will cause you a lot of damage. And in another second, you'll be stone cold dead. And guess what? If you die, my brother, your girlfriends, your mother, they will all miss you because they will never see you again. Remember, your degree exam starts in 2 weeks. So imagine the frustration that you're going to cause your parents if you die. Do you know what I mean?
Yes. Yes. Boss, please, what have I done wrong? Please, tell me. I will do anything you ask me to do, anything.
From Mike. And please, from the preparation of this Nuga competition. Failure to do so, this my one name's prophecy will come to fulfillment.
One more thing. If you ever dare tell of your experience tonight.
You apply number 6 Simala Street and soul science will be your case. Speak no evil.
Hear no evil. And see no evil.
Yes. Mike, leave me. What is it now? What have I done? Leave me now. I think I'm no longer interested. Can't you understand it, Mike? Read down and understand that language. I'm no longer interested for crying out loud. I beg you now. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Mike, listen. I didn't come to this school to play basketball for crying out loud. I came here to study. My parents sent me come play basketball. I came here to study for God's sake. Please, leave me alone. Let me be.
I don't understand what did happen.
Mike, nothing did happen. I say just leave me alone. Please, I want to be.
Now that competition is so close, you want to back out? Now?
Mike, listen. The only competition I know right now is my degree exam, my project, my defense, everything. And they're all disturbing me. Mike, leave me. I just go beg you. I didn't come here to play basketball. I beg you, free me.
You don't be the Ben way I know.
This na Ben, I go full flesh and blood. I just go beg you. Mike, I will call security for you if you don't leave me. Leave me alone.
Listen, so what happened to all the encouraging words you were telling me? Say, we go win, we go play like this, we go swagger here, we go there. What happened?
Encourage waiting. Mike, listen. All this thing when they talk, you need to enter your ear. In fact, I know your plan. I know your plan in this school. Your plan is to make me have extra year, ba? That is your plan. But you don't go work now, you don't fail. Mike, you don't fail, you don't go work for you. But leave me. If you don't leave me, I call security for you. I just God beg you. Leave me alone.
Ben.
Can I have a word with you, please?
Okay.
Come sit down.
Here I am.
Yeah. I've been expecting you to tell me what you discussed with Chief Moralo the other day you met with him.
What we discussed?
Yeah.
Well, Mom, we said lots of things that day and I can't remember which.
About you meeting up with his son, who is also in your school.
Oh, that. Yeah. I remember.
So, have you been able to meet up with the guy? Have you been able to trace him to school?
Mom.
Yeah.
The man said lots of things. He was joking. We all laughed about it and it's over.
Nancy, Chief Moralo wasn't just joking. It wasn't a mere discussion. Now listen to me. It is not what life make out of you that matters, but what you make out of life matters a lot. Chief Moralo has been a great friend to this family for a long time, even when your father was alive. So, extending this friendship to both of you, both you and his son, it's not a bad idea.
What do you expect, Mom? I dress up, go looking for this boy. You and I go to his parents' house and begin to search for him because I'm desperate?
No.
Don't forget, you promised no marital issues until I'm done with school.
I am not saying you should marry Chief Moralo's son. No. What I'm saying is for you to get acquainted with him. Make friends with him. Who knows? One thing could lead to another tomorrow.
No. Mother, no. Nothing is leading to another. To make you feel happy, I could go with you to his father's house to see him just to make you happy. But nothing is going to lead to another.
That's my angel then. Don't bother.
Can I go now?
You can.
Thank you.
That's my angel. That's my prize.
No! No!
Oh dear.
Hey, Piroski Petiti. Hey, mama. Piro, what's up, man?
I just did.
Yeah, what's happening?
A day like Deligo, they enjoy like that, John.
Piro, you don't start again with this your yarn. You. Now what for you? Piro, what's happening? This is when you were reading here.
Man, is this assignment of a team? It really gives me a problem. But I can't help it.
Yeah.
I'm just looking for a conducive place where I can know that we achieve one thing at least before going back home.
Yeah, it's all good. We all need it. You know? But that means you're not coming to training ground today.
Training ground?
Yes.
Is there any training today?
Piro, what are you talking about? Wait. Don't tell me you've forgotten that today is the first inspection of Mike's team and that of Spremo, 4 p.m.
Oh, so now today they go show us the team we go represent for this year competition?
Yes!
My guy, to be too tough.
Too tough?
Wait, good. At least make me know what in this supreme of a guy if you do.
Yeah, it's obvious. Mike is going to deal with them. After all, it's not about carrying women, driving big cars. No. But I promise you, guy, Supremo will face a disgrace today. And that is why
I want to be there by myself and witness the whole thing happening.
Bro, you know what's up, I'll meet you there immediately. There's no problem. Huh? You know it's all about Man U and Chelsea.
You know that. Mike is my person, my man, so I can't afford to miss it.
That's what he said.
All right.
What is the meaning of all this? Oh, so you have been fooling us all around. The competition is around the corner and we have only one team to show for. Woo! Whereas we will have prepared two from where we'll get one for the competition. Mike, I am disappointed in you.
I'm sorry, is there a problem?
No, it's all right. You are a disgrace to womanhood.
Let's go! Let's go!
Please, sir, there is no need to be hard on me. We've been working since. There has to be a problem somewhere. Charles, call them now.
It's not connecting.
Please, sir, there has to be a problem somewhere.
Mike, you cannot deceive me. So stop all that false pretense. For over 45 minutes, you've been dialing the numbers of your boys. Listen, smart boy. Academically, morally, mortally, and age-wise, I am your senior. So you cannot deceive me. I can see that you have planned to disgrace me before the management. But I bet you can never succeed because I am smarter than you.
Sir, with all respect, I know you're smarter than I am. You're an elderly man and I will not try to disgrace you in front of management. We've been working hard, sir. For the past 2-3 weeks, haven't we been training?
Seriously?
We've been training, sir. There's something wrong somewhere. You know I'm a very hard-working student.
So
I think we should put our heads together and solve this issue.
Solve what? Mike, that you failed to prepare your team for the competition. I can sense something here. You have collected money from the other school in order to bring them to the top.
What? Sir, that is impossible. Sir, I'm a bona fide student of this campus, and I will do no such thing. I can never take money from anybody to sell my school. This is my game. This is what I love doing. I sent this school 2 years ago, and I want to do the same again this year. I can't sell them out. That's not possible.
Tell you what, Mike. Betraying a confidence imposed on you is like a double-edged sword. Try never to take anybody for granted. See, I can see why you don't want to compete with the other guy. Just look at the guy you are condemning. Look at him. Look at the guy you are condemning. Just look at it.
So is there a problem?
It's all right, no problem. I'm sorry, you can go back to the court. I'll work with your team alone.
You work with your team?
That's right.
That's how we do it.
But they need to leave the court so that we can we run them out of the
Right.
Get out of this place. Get out.
I said with the original, not the artificial. Come on, apply to my
I love the game, but they just won't let me play.
Brothers, sisters in the building, we're gathered here to celebrate our success. When we said we're going to do this, the doubting Thomases said it wasn't going to be possible, right? Fuck them. I say middle finger to all my enemies. I've said so many middle fingers to them that I wounded my finger, but I don't give a we will bring that trophy here and celebrate some more at the end of Nuga. Anybody that don't like it? Yeah! Brother. Because we run this thing, it's a mafia team, man. So here's the idea. You guys should have seen the dean of students affair groveling before. I was trying to shake hands with 2 hands. And before then, I was trying to beat the man. We run this campus. We decide who goes forward, who goes back. So, F the world, man. Fuck you! That's right. My guy, you got anything to say?
Wait. Not the original, not official.
Awila Awelus. Every finance on his pentacle to vibrate to the Lord Supreme. Out of your SS capability, SS characteristic, may you work like seriously. May you work basically, may you work
It's a mafia team, man. You don't like it, blood clots. We run it over, man. With the movie train, man. Who wants there? So I say to all the sisters in the building and the gangsters in the building, raise your motherfucking
Drop me freestyle to test my microphone. I test the microphone, test the microphone, test the microphone now. Oh wait.
Mikey baby.
Let's play. Let's play.
Clap now. Bow now. You know the bow.
Let's play.
Look at your ass now.
Michael Jordan.
Dude is pathetic. Man, look at your ass. Oh, you still got your green thing going. Oh, I see you got a lemon thing, man. Oh, man. It was orange last time, now it's lemon. I offered you 200 grand. No, better still, I made it 500. No, but your crossbreed ass had to be all that and tone it down. Look at you now. You see? Who's laughing now? I run this campus. I even own you. I decide where you go and where you stay. Should have been on the winning side, you know?
My lord. You know one thing? This Opaka is so much commissioner conference. Hourly and forever.
But hey, anytime you want to know how the game is played, I want you to come by the court sometime, if you may, and see Lord Supremo do his thing on the court. That's how it's done. All right, Crosby, later. Bye, baby.
Mike, you told me you were going to be having lectures at this time. What are you doing here? You have to take it easy. I mean, this is not the end of the world. I love you so much. And I hate to see you like this. Please, let it go. You have to.
How would you feel when you woke up one morning and your dream has been shattered? How would that make you feel? Something you struggled for, you practically toiled for, to make it a realization. And then suddenly, it's taken away from you. Do you know how painful that is?
I know. But you have to let it go. That is life. I mean, who knows? Maybe that's God's plan for you. Perhaps He wants you to let go of the Nuga games, let go of basketball, and just face your academics.
Basketball is my passion.
I know.
I love the game.
I know.
That's what I do.
I do know. But sometimes in life you have to let go of what you love the most for other things to work. Maybe this is just part of it. Please, Mike, I beg you.
If anybody disappointed me, it's Ben. Ben has disappointed me so much. I'm so hurt that even Ben will walk away.
Anybody can disappoint you, except God. I beg you, my love, please. This is devastating, I know. But you have to let it go. Just let it go and move on.
So, Solomon, how far have you gone with the boys? Hope you are preparing very hard because the competition is drawing nearer.
Nothing to worry about. We're doing everything we can. I think we're progressively moving forward, you know? We'll bring back the trophy. We'll all come back with testimonies. At least I believe that.
Yeah, actually, I was misled by someone. Even though that I was smart, I would have been totally misled.
Well, thank God for that. Well, sir, this is for your support and all, you know, appreciation. Just 20,000 for Philmond. Oh.
Thank you very much.
It's nothing.
It's all right.
Have a nice one.
May you walk and never to stumble. Casca to my friend and fear in this India. I cannot see myself again. The God abbasses are no longer wise. I cannot see the reason why only few entities now attend gyrations. It is under carability. It shall never become cave.
Tell me much.
The fathers are not in May you walk.
Yes.
So skumbulum ajo. So pray commadium. On the accountability list to what?
Declaration.
And if this thing shines again, I'm ready to declare any entity that first interact with our jealousies like that. So pray commadium. Joke na joke, joke na name of my obeke. Like that. There is one of several generation we have in this Ilia Dedi. And we are migrating with this kete. So pray commadium. In as much as only few entities are gathered, but the general remains that few are called, many are chosen. And when 2 or 3 are gathered, and Ilia is formed. We must migrate to that of Zemina. AB of Zemina lost the mother. The Mamrado has decided to interact with soil science and number 2 Imal acidity. And we are going to migrate to the family and show our sympathy comradically. So pray comrade, not minding our fewness, may we migrate to this kete with all our promises so that we gyrate and interact with AB or Zemena Kuru. So pray comrade, migration na time, migration na time, migration draw me to, draw me seas a shine. AB finance of this year. May you walk, Mobanke. What is not the case to my fellow Blanco like that? You have not been interacting with generations again. Your accountability is now under monkey. What is not the case to my fellow Ojodu and I feel like that? Even to the last time we migrated from Ozemena via AB Ozemena's Mamrado, who decided to Java soil science. The mother died and we attended the burial to demonstrate our solidarity. You were missing in action. You were not there. Keska to my friend like that, I vibrate again. Now, what is dividing attention from dedicated activities in Kegai's club?
My chief to apply Tamako. Out of my SS credibility, nothing is taking me away from credibility. My chief. Chief, you know school program, assignment, quiz. One cannot even plan his way.
Femme la bouche. Assignment, quiz, jealousies, Blanco. You have decided to ajo. You know I'm a medical student. Every Friday, you know I'm a medical student in this area. And you know how difficult it is to study medicine and surgery in any higher institution in the world. But still, I combine good academic grade with this club, with dedication. And you are here telling me assignment. Don't I do assignment? Don't I do practicals? Don't I do clinicals? May you walk and about to stumble.
Kafere, try and say reason with me. Nyokopus my reason.
Which reason? May you walk and about to stumble. Walk and about to stumble. I'm a chief. A chief and them more. And I am smelling that you are now made in Akenwe. You are now made in courtism. I can decode it. Walk and never to stumble. We are all in this area. I have decoded your credibility before, but let me fire. You know you cannot combine cultism with Kegai's club. It shall never become came. There must be a differential equation of the integration between Paul and Popo and Barnabas and Banana. What can never to stumble? It is either it is Panadol or it is not Panadol. There's nothing like it can shine Panadol. It can work like Panadol. May you work. Kegai's club remains Kegai's club. You can't combine the two. It's either you are in Kegai's club or you are the other way.
Out of my SS credibility, I am AB finance. I can't ever paparazzi comrade of this area. I can never try any amakoya. If someone should do that, certainly not me, not AB finance. A Tikademus fellow like me at all.
What's bad? Okay. May you work and never to stumble. As a chief, I will continue to vibrate. Aluta continue like data. But let me tell you, Kegai's club remains social cultural club. Kegai's club is not a cultist club. It's not cultism. It is just for the promotion of African culture and nothing more. Our motto remains unity in diversity, and we must continue in the midst of shining foreign academic educational requirement. We will continue to promote African culture so that our fathers' tradition, cultures, and mores will not go down. That is Kega's law. But anything short of this, I can never tolerate in this area. May you see danger and apply caution. AB finance, work and never to stumble. May your son never resemble your landlord. Tikadema Wabonki. Wabonki Tikadema. To be forewarned is to be fore. May you walk. I have seriously landed.
My chief, my chief, apply Tamaku, my chief.
Honorable Mrs. Kema.
Yeah.
You can say that again. You know, Chief Anthony Chukura was a very good friend of mine while he lived. So I said to myself, I won't want this relationship to die. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I was wondering, the whole house. You live here alone with Solomon. What about your wife?
Well, my wife lives in the States with the rest of my children. I just have Solomon here with me. But even at that, staying with Solomon is as good as staying alone. You know, men and their ways. They hardly stays at home.
Oh, boy.
Yes, and we're coping. We don't have very much problems. Let me see. Solo boy, who knows where he is? He will soon be here. That's his star world I led. Hello. Hello, son. Where are you, son? Oh, at the gate. Please rush in now. he said he's at the gate. Already? He will soon be here. Here he comes. The solo.
Big Papa.
Nancy, do you know each other?
With all due respect, sir, please, I beg to take my leave now.
Why?
Nancy!
Come over here.
Nancy, come here! Nancy!
Son, hold a minute. Nancy!
Mike, you cannot continue like this.
Okay. If somebody should ask you right now why you've stopped coming for lectures, what will your answer be? Will you say because you were denied the opportunity to participate in this year's Nuga competition, that's why you've stopped coming for lectures? No, man, that is stupid now. It doesn't make sense. Huh? Nuga is nothing to compare with your academics. Yes. Mickey, you just have to carry on, my man. Carry on.
Where is my respect? Where is my respect? Where is the pride and the respect that I've so worked hard for? lost. People used to look up to me as someone. Now I'm nothing but a disappointment. How am I supposed to face the student body? How am I supposed to face them with such shame and disgrace? What do you expect me to do?
Mickey, I will be your shade. Yes. I will share in that shame and disappointment with you. What are friends for? Why am I your friend? See, there's this popular saying that goes, every disappointment is a blessing in disguise. All we need to do is just hope in God. I believe that God is going to see us through. Okay? Come on, man. Come on. Hey, come on. Let me see that smile on your face. Huh? So, I hope to see you in school tomorrow. Huh?
Yeah.
That's good. I have to be on my way now, man. I'll see you tomorrow in school. Unfailingly, my brother. All right.
Thanks, Charles.
Hello, Nancy.
Mike, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. I hope you remember what tomorrow is.
What about tomorrow?
Forgotten? I told you my brother was coming back from the UK tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. It's just escaped me. I'm sorry. I remember.
What are you thinking about? The Nduga games again?
No, I'm not thinking about it. I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay. So, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright. Bye.
Stop there. So if madam don't tell make me enter this house. Eh? What's your problem?
Musa! What are you doing? Why are you coming? Why are you coming?
You see, one make the pursue you here right the top. When you find what you look for, eh? You see yourself.
Musa! You better be careful. Sorry about that.
You've been upstairs waiting for me?
I've been upstairs waiting. The driver has got to pick up my brother, so I said to stay up there and wait.
Okay, cool.
Come in.
Come with him.
Come in.
Alright.
Uh-oh.
Let's give me a hug. Let's give me a hug. Wait. Nothing. I'm still myself, okay? Just look at me.
No!
Wait, Nancy. I'm not okay, okay? Wait. Let me just have a look.
Thank you very much.
You look so pretty. You look so pretty.
Pardon my manners. I am so terrible. Mike, meet my brother Wilson.
And
don't say anything. That's Mike.
Nice. Mike. Nice meeting you, okay? Pleasure is mine.
What?
Hope you prepared.
Yes, I did, but you are not eating anything. My
No.
God.
I have to eat, okay?
Come in.
I've been on this chips and potatoes for long, okay?
for you.
Let's all go inside.
I'm so embarrassed.
Lead the way.
Go in, you love that.
I will. You enter. Wait. Nancy, just don't tell me you cook this, okay?
Of course I did.
I'm
sure mommy helped you somehow.
Like hell no. I prepared this myself. Oh.
Wait, I just have to give you the credit, okay? The food is so delicious, and that means you really improved.
Why won't I improve? Am I not a woman?
My that means I have a full woman, my sister now. I know. Mike, do you go for morning jogging?
Yes, I go jogging in the mornings, but not every morning. But I usually play basketball every morning. I just love the game.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Why do you ask?
I was wondering, thinking of us going for morning jogging tomorrow.
You certainly need it.
I do, I know, okay?
It's not a problem. I can meet you up somewhere. I can go.
Okay, can I have yours?
Yeah,
Huh?
Thank God we were here last night. I never knew you had this amazing strength. So why did you don't play for any club side there in Nigeria?
You know, Nigeria is more focused on football than they are on basketball. It's not my fault, man.
But wait. Do you aspire to go further after your university education?
Yeah. Man, I love the game. I just love NBA more than my law profession NBA.
Universities do amaze me. Okay, wait. I have this white friend of mine that stays in New York that owns a basketball club or team. I think I'll discuss it with him, okay?
That'd be cool.
Okay.
NBA, that would be cool, man. I would like that.
For now, I think we should be going, man.
So, will you drive? Are you strong enough?
No, just drive.
We'll see.
I'll meet you, man.
I'll be going now.
Mike, come in and take something cool.
I'm fine.
Wait. You need something cool to invigorate yourself, okay?
Well, maybe water.
Whatever, okay. Now let's go.
Oga, I want to tell you, say, madam, don't come back.
When?
Never tell yourself.
Thank you. That's good, okay?
Most of them, I have to.
No, wait. Let's go see my mom, okay? Let's go meet her. Let's go. Hey, Mom.
Hi, what's my darling son? How are you?
I'm coming home.
Yeah.
So how was the trip to Taraba State?
Fantastic. Hectic though. But in all, we thank God for his journey mercy.
You still look this beautiful.
Thank God. I can see you went jogging. How many kilometers did you cover?
Wait. We drove down. Wait, Mike. I'm sorry. This is Mike, okay? He's a student that loves basketball so much, and we went jogging together.
Hey. Good morning. I thought I told you never to come here again. Come on, get out of here!
Mom.
I said out! Get out! Get out of my house!
Mom, this is not fair. Good.
Stop it!
Mom, it's not fair.
Saints, what is really happening? Imagine me betraying my own friend. The guy who helped me in my first year, first semester exams. Gosh, this whole thing is driving me insane. What do I do now? Go and confront Supremo? No. Supremo is a very dangerous guy to fall out with. What do I do to vindicate Mike? Even if it means being expelled from this school. Supremo, you think you're smart. You think you're smart by using me to achieve your aim. Okay.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, hi there.
Do you mind if I join you?
Oh, sure. Come on.
I know you wouldn't resist me, Mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, there's something I'd like to ask you.
Shoot.
You don't like seeing Mike. What has he done? When Nancy told me the last time you pushed him away the same way some time ago.
Wilson.
Yes, Mom?
Have you actually taken a closer look at that boy?
Yeah, Mom.
I mean, that ragamuffin.
Oh, Mommy, come off it, Mom. Just come off it, Mom.
As the children of an honorable member of the State House of Assembly.
There you go again.
You should not be seen with that kind of boy, that despicable, wretched, irresponsible skunk like that boy. Willis.
Yes, Mom.
You should actually be seen with children of your own class. I mean high-class children, and not a punk like your so-called friend, whatever you call him. However, to me, he looks like a thief.
Mommy, he is not a thief, okay? No, listen, Mommy. In this life, there are two ways to greatness.
Tell me, my son, tell me.
Mommy, some are born great. While some others achieve this through hard work and perseverance.
Really?
Mommy, the fact that Mike comes from a poor background doesn't make him a thief. He's not a thief, Mommy. He's not one.
Willis.
Yes, Mom.
If you don't mind, excuse me.
Wait. Mommy, you asking me to leave?
Sure.
If you insist. But Mommy, I still insist. He's not a thief, okay? He's not a thief.
Sento! Chop, knock, man.
Sky, please keep your critics to yourself. Have you seen what you've caused? The shame and disappointment you've put me through?
What is it? I don't understand what you're talking about.
Take a look at this. This is the check you made me collect. And now I have sold my conscience for money. All in the bribery from that recalcitrant called Supremo.
No, Saint. Please, watch your tongue, okay? And stop saying all those things. Talk to me in a language I understand. Please.
Sky, if you must know, Supremo gave us a bounce check.
No, please, Saint. Just hold it there. You know it's not possible. Come on, it's not possible. You know that it's not possible. Come on, don't talk to me like that. It's not possible at all. Come on, no. How come? Huh? It's not possible, man. Come on.
Supremo, you will not go scot-free.
I love the game, but they just won't let me play. I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. Every time I show my head, there's a man with a gun to shoot me down. And what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up.
Mike, I'm actually sorry about the way my mom treated you yesterday. That's all right. I'm used to that thing by now.
No. I mean, every human being, no matter their social status, deserves a little respect. You can't be like this forever.
That's right. Well, that reminds me, do you have an international passport? No. Why? That's okay. Oh, you take this and get yourself an international passport.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Don't mention.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I'll be traveling to the village to be back in 3 days' time.
Are you going with Nancy?
Me? Sit in the car for 5 hours? By road? No.
Just forget Nancy, okay? I'm traveling alone.
I'll make sure I get the passport before you come back.
Just make sure you do, okay? I'll see you then.
You should!
If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do?
Sir, I wouldn't mind being expelled from this school after you just listened to what I'm about to tell you now, sir.
Go ahead.
It is true that I collected this check just to betray my fellow students, sir. My conscience beats me every now and then. That is why I've come to make this as a confession to you, sir. I was given this check by Supremo just to denounce being a member of Mike's team so he can achieve his aim.
What? Young man,
sir,
are you sure of what you are saying?
I'm sure of what I'm saying, sir. As a matter of fact, Supremo masterminded the plot of Mike's frustration during the first inspection, sir.
My God, I can't believe this. You mean Solomon is behind all this?
Sir, you had better believe me. I'm very, very sure of what I'm saying. In fact, you can use this as an evidence in case he tries to deny it.
I'm a controversial subject, you know. Everybody's trying to blackmail me for some obvious wealth, you know. What can I say? Blackmail, it's the order of the day in this school, sir. I want you to know that, because to what end would it be for me to bribe somebody as bribery so that I can lead the team to Nuga game? That's outrageous.
Solomon Peters.
Yes, sir.
I ask you for the very last time. Do you know anything about this check?
Sir, and I'm telling you for the last time, what I know about that check is blackmail. Somebody copied my handwriting, probably forged my signature audaciously, and I would say that's a fake forgery, of course, but all the same, it's Mike you must turn your focus on. Yes, he should be the subject for scrutiny at the moment. Mike actually tried to take bribe from another school to lead their team to Nuga, but of course we forwarded before it came into the open, but I'm not one that talk too much.
Do you know this young man behind you?
I can't get it, Mr. Ahmed, that you of all people could do a thing like this.
Sir, it happened when you were away to Canada.
And so? Why did you wait for me to come back?
Sir, as the Dean of Students' Affairs, it is my duty to correct students, more so that competition is fast approaching.
Now, have you seen where your decision has landed you? Huh? Have you? You single-handedly disqualified a young man who has brought laurels, who has brought honor, glory to this school, simply because he made a mistake that could have been made by another person, including yourself. By the way, why did you not investigate in details Mike's case the way you're investigating this check issue?
In fact, sir, the whole thing is getting me confused.
Why won't you get confused? Why won't you? Huh? I've told you that students are handled with care. You don't just run them the way you are running things. Now let me ask you, if you wake up one morning to see that you have been demoted and relieved of your duties, how would you react?
I'm sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Mr. Ahmed, students need to be handled with care. I've told you this several times. You're on this campus and by now you should know the way they react to things. They don't reason the way you reason or I reason. You have monitored, you have watched them conduct their elections, the student government elections and all that. Huh? As far as this competition is concerned, we cannot do without Mike. So, look for him and ask him to see me.
All right, sir, but I'm not seeing him for quite some time now.
Mr. Ahmed, you look for him, get his phone number. No matter how you do it, I don't care. All I want is him.
All right, sir.
Yes, I mean Michael Ebigwe. Yes, this is the VC of the school.
Oh, yes, sir. Hello, sir. I'm honored to speak to you, sir.
I want you to meet me in my office now. There is something very important I want you to discuss.
No problem, sir. Like now? Like immediately?
There is something very important I want us to discuss.
Okay, sir. I will be there as soon as I can. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Hello? My guy, how far?
Boy, Dikeh, where you there now?
At the roadside. I dey come. I just spoke to the VC. He said, may I come see him.
Oh boy, now what I want you be that? Begin the falling inside campus. Sharp Yankee, sharp Yankee. I believe it's for the better. I was the one that gave Dean your number. Yes. Just the falling. I go there behind that lecture room. Yes. All right now.
I dey come. No problem. I dey come. All right, later.
Get your ass there.
Hello, Wilson. Okay, before you ask any question, I want to say I'm sorry. Because I won't be able to come over. I'm gonna have to send the driver over. Come on, big brother. I need to go and see Mike. I have to take him to the immigration office. Please. Assume I owe you one. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, man, what's all this?
Oh, shit. What's wrong with the car?
What's wrong with the car?
I don't know, man. We need another car.
Yeah, I don't know.
Shit.
Alright, you know what? Look out for a car. Look out for a car, okay? Please, look out for. If you see a car, signal me.
Yo, Supremo!
Yeah.
Got a company! Wait. Get up! What's all this? Listen! Mike, you know him? No,
No, you know him.
I don't know him.
I don't know him.
He knows him. Bring him.
I don't know him.
Fine, boy. I don't know him. I don't know him. Ocean Man!
I am done with her for now.
So, can I go with her?
Yes. But don't hesitate to bring her whenever we have need for her. I shall from time to time relate to you on our investigations.
Thank you, Inspector. So nice. Shall we go?
I'm very serious over what I'm telling you. AB Finance has applied Amakoya.
Ibi, when shall it become? Do you know the case of what you are vibrating? Do you know the seriousness of this vibration la fi on Akwadata? Bonkios Otule, the gods are not here. If this is a Jara, the gods are not wise, but I cannot see myself as per this time. The thing remains that I know that AB Finance and Supremo are their colleagues, they are just departmental mates. I'm aware of that, but it's not enough to justify AB Finance being a court member. I cannot see myself, my son.
Chief, my chief.
Goes bad.
This is not the case of being the same department. I mean, read the handwriting on the wall. The last time I saw them with the activities, I believe there's more to it.
Goes bad. Vous nos de la face and the voulez-vous. If the gods are like that, but Bonky, Supremo is the HOD, he is the head of the Scorpions. Otule. But Mina Awela Amena. AB Finance is my brutal son with who and where please. Say G-Lord of this year. And I know he has been so much against cultism in Kegai's club. He has been at the vanguard of fighting cultism. But if be that as it may, I cannot believe that he has shined. But even if there is Akenwe somewhere like a this, like a data, Bobonki, the gods will still deliver them nationally. We are still in this area. Let us be onyo. One day, like at that moment, occasion, the breeze will levu and the nyash of Akoko would gently. I will onyoko if there is any case. My son, work and never to stumble. You are days, you are very carried.
May your days be long.
Nancy, police inspector is here to see you.
I'll be out in a minute.
No, you're going with me.
Just in a minute.
Let's go. Let's go, okay?
No. No! This is unlike you, Mrs. Kema. How can you tell me that that boy has been coming to your house in the name of visit or cosmate? To an extent that he has been seen moving around with your son that just came back not too long ago. Why?
Chief, don't blame me too much. I tried my best. But my daughter kept saying that he is her friend, he is her cosmate.
Friend my foot. Don't you know that that boy has been gathering information on this family? Don't you know that? Now let me even ask you, how do you think that that boy survived if not through armed robbery? How I wish I could lay my hand on that boy and teach him lesson of his life. Nonsense.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, sir. You're welcome.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir.
You're welcome. Please take a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chief.
Yes.
This is the inspector in charge of my son's case.
Oh, I see.
He is Inspector Ajay.
I see. So how has he been, Inspector? What is the next line of action? Has he been apprehended?
Well, sir, we are still on our investigations. And from the facts we have gathered so far, I am sure that very soon he will be in our net.
What facts are you gathering? What facts, Inspector?
Actually, we now know where he lives. We have been to his school and made some very useful inquiry. Very soon, he will be brought to book.
To hell with his house and his school. How I wish I could lay my hand on that boy and teach him a lesson. Anyway. Yes. Hello, Mr. Commissioner. Yes, I'm okay. And you? Good. Commissioner, are you aware of the case that has to do with Honorable Mrs. Kema Chukura's son? Oh, it's on your table. Good. Please, I would like you to take that case personal. I have interest. Yes. Good. Thank you very much. Nonsense.
Papa, I'm scared. Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm not playing. I'm scared. I don't know who is going to believe my story.
What kind of trouble is this? And now, what do I do? Mike, I think we shall have to invite the police.
No, we can't go to the police. If we go to the police, my case is going to be worse. I beg you, we cannot go to the police.
Who is there?
It's me, Nancy.
maybe she came with the police.
Who are those people with you there?
Papa, there's nobody with me. I'm alone. Mike. Mike, tell me you're innocent of all this. Tell me you're innocent of all this allegation.
Nancy, I can't do it. It couldn't have been me. And I know he's your brother. I don't have that kind of heart. It's not possible. I don't even see why you should be asking me that question. It's Supremo. Supremo killed him. He told me that he was going to frustrate my life. Finally, he's achieved it. Now I don't even know where to go. I don't even know what to do. This is frustrating me in this place.
What are you going to do? I mean, I don't know, but the police will soon be here to arrest you because they found your passport at the scene of the crime.
Holy shit. Oh, my passport. Oh my God. Yeah, that was my passport I was looking for.
My life. I've never seen him since yesterday.
Sir, please, he's telling you the truth, please. We don't know where he is.
Alright. Giving you 24 hours. 24 hours to produce your son! Yes, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
and pleases, there is a terrible case in this area. Supreme Commandant, may you all see danger and apply caution. There is a brutal danger in this area. There is a terrible akenwe in the soup. Some of my entities have decided to interact with courtism.
Open on God by way of fishing now.
Supreme Commandant, it shall never become came that
it's not allowed.
A member of Kega's club will enter secret court. Our rules and regulations abhor courtism. We are here to promote African culture. We are here to socialize, and we are here to read our books and pass with good grace. Supreme Commandant. Where is AB Righty? Rotate to this coro.
Bende State.
Where is AB school bag? Is he here? Please, brefa. Where is Supreme Commandant? Firm all over the Rakamus. Please, tranquility. Where is AB Finance? AB Finance will rotate to this coro. Supreme Commandant, please. Wider. These three babasis are the babasis who have tried courtism as against our rules, as against the tenets, as against the spirit of the founding fathers of this club. I know that this club is a club that has prominent people. The former president of this country is the one life patron of this club. Later, Wolowo was the eternal life patron of this club. Okay. We have a Professor Shorika who was among the founding fathers of this club. Yeah, if these eminent people are members of this club, then why should you interact with courtism? Supreme Commandant, there is no mercy in this case. You know, this is the highest crime you can commit in this club. Therefore, I have decided, out of the powers conferred on me, that they must be expelled. Supreme Commandant, and it's a serious matter. Therefore, I'm going to expel these three boys who have joined courtism, so that it will be an example to others. If you know you are thinking of interacting with Kush by way of joining courtism, please and please leave this club before now. Because if I find you, you know that the gods will not be happy with you.
After you, when she comes.
Supreme Commandant. Aya Kori Gaga. Supreme Commandant. You know the culture. We are going to Dikeh them. Dikehation means expulsion from the club. Therefore, I'm going to place this keg on their.
All and carry to Bende State.
Jeffersons to protection. Jeffersons to
so much to make it more.
Supreme Commandant. Then the realms, circumference, perimeter, powers is conferred on me by one council of Jeffersons, fellowships, elderses. That I and only I, Chief Emperor Iwala, Akaba Chief of the whole galaxy. The only chief who believes that whatever goes up must come down. And if it's coming down, it is coming down on something. The only chief who believes in discipline. The only chief who believes that 1 week of no generation makes 1 week. After brutal interaction with our forefathers and system mamases, do hereby pronounce and vibrate that from today come tomorrow, these three Idebujis, these three Okonkorosis who have decided to join courtism are expelled. And on no account should they be entitled to our one finger salute. On no account from today should they be entitled to interact with our holy water. On no account should they be interacting with our generation or anything that concerns Kega's club. To God the Lord, I have seriously.
Come on. Give me.
Myself to take them to the bush. They now belong to the bush. They no longer belong to Vegas Club. Vegas has nothing to do with sacred God.
I tell you, as I follow this guy, the guy if he say if he sprint, will now full on enter gutter. I start kick him, po. You hit him. Oh boy, see the guy they cry like the guy they cry like
oh boy. They know the third man. Yeah? I know it's not to be now.
Yeah, say you need to see this guy when he cry. Oh, forget me, I'm bad, man. I'm bad. Hey! Finest. What's in the worry you? Finest. Boy, forget this guy. The Dikeh guy for K guy. Now you can't keep face like this for him. You don't feel drink, you don't feel do anything. I say this. I know this. I don't understand. But forget this dude, man.
Forget him, my beg.
Niggas, listen. K guy. What's in the worry you know? Earlier, Supreme will tell me about Nuga games. Now they hear about K-Guy. Guys, they fall our boys down there for Unical. They beat us 5-1. Shit! You know how many boys don't lay? Now when I talk about K-Guy, when I talk about Nuga games, what the hell is that?
Now you don't understand, bro.
Boys, listen, guy, listen. If, in short, this evening time, I'm having a meeting with Supremo. If you guys don't arrange yourselves and come down to do what you're supposed to do, first thing in the morning, at the Unical, at the Ashona, I'm assembling all the Capons and they must hear what you guys are doing. Nah, and I will tell you, I will sign off.
Well, you never reach like that.
They go nowhere till it happen.
You never reach like that.
I tell you.
Which one you know day? You won't go in.
You never reach like that.
You never reach like that, bros. What you talk?
I never reach. They go paste. Kapenti, you're not awareness of credibility. You don't understand.
Can never understand what? Now, I'm gonna arrange myself now. Look what did happen. Look our boys they fall.
I want to talk to you. It's about Mike.
What about him? Have you seen him?
No.
Then what?
I know how you feel, Mom. I feel terrible too. But you have to understand that Mike did not kill Wilson.
What?
He's not an armed robber.
What?
Mom, it's true. I mean, he's just...
Shut up! You were the first person who brought that idiot to this house. And I warned you against it, but you wouldn't listen to me. Now he has killed my son and you're here telling me rubbish. Now, Nancy, shut up and get the hell out of this house. Get out! Get out.
Officer, the armed robbers abducted Mike on his way back from the immigration office where he had gone to collect his international passport. Their car broke down along the road. Coincidentally, they stopped my brother. They shot him when they realized he knew Mike.
Why did they abduct Mike?
The leader of the gang, Supremo, that's his name. He had some issues with Mike while they were preparing for the Nuga Games. He had promised to deal with him.
Your story is not well cooked, young lady. It is better you advise your boyfriend to turn himself in instead of running around.
Officer, my brother died. I don't have a reason to cover up for him, but you have to listen to me. What I'm telling you is the truth. That is the truth. I'm so confused, Betty. I don't know what to do. I mean, honestly speaking, sentiments apart, I can vouch for Mike. Mike would never commit such a heinous crime. He's harmless. Well, the question is, how? I mean, just how do I convince every other person that Mike is innocent? How?
Nancy, how will they believe you? How? His passport was found at the scene of the crime. And he was also present at the scene of the crime. Okay, if he's truly innocent, why not present him, let him defend himself?
That is the point. I am afraid. I mean, I'm scared of what they might do to him. I don't want them to hurt him. As it is, everybody, including my mother, believe that Mike is responsible. But I know he's not.
Anyway, I don't know what you're up to. But if I were in your shoes, I will present the killer of my brother.
There is no...
He will face the law.
Okay, there is a killer of my brother, but I do not know who the killer of my brother is. I know that Mike is not the killer, but I cannot pinpoint who the killer is. That is the point. Mike is innocent. I mean...
Nothing. I hope you know what you're doing.
Well, you see, Inspector, I don't know all my students. It's not just possible. But this very Mike in question is a boy that is very hard-working, has a track record, has done remarkable things for the school. If you know the history of the school with Nuga Games, or if you know athletics very well, it's the brain behind our last success at the games. I'm sure there must be a mix-up somewhere. Yes.
But actually, there are some students you don't know what they are up to.
Yes.
This Mike you claim to know so well. When was the last time you spoke to him?
Well, Inspector, I have not been around. I came back about 2 weeks ago, and ever since then I've been trying to call him, but to no avail.
Very well then. Let me open up. This Mike you claim to know so well is an armed robbery suspect.
Can't be!
Never. In fact, he is suspected to have murdered the son of an honorable member in the state in an attempt to snatch his car.
No. Inspector, no. There is a mistake somewhere. Armed robber? Mike Ebigwe? No way, it's not possible.
Exactly what I told you in my office. You see, it's unbelievable. The Mike I know can't even handle a stick, let alone a gun.
Very well then. This might interest you.
Mike.
Sir.
How did you get this?
If you happen to see him or hear anything about him, please do not hesitate to call us, or at least inform the school security.
Okay, Inspector, please do me one favor. I'll get back to you soonest.
Yes, sir.
Hey, this one you're taking cover in the gutter like this. What's up? You sure say you never commit, eh?
Charles, my mind nearly cut out now.
What happened? Hey, I've been noticing some policemen in the campus for some time now. Even a few minutes ago, I saw them coming out from the VC's office. Guy, what's happening now?
You've not heard that Mike shot the son of an honorable member. Eh? Meaning that Mike is not an armed robber.
Since it's a lie now, it's a lie. It cannot be true now. Eh? Remember that Mike is your friend, though. He's our friend.
Friend?
Eh, now.
Friend, K. See, as you see me, sir, I'm applying Choma Junwao. In fact, my last paper is the only thing holding me in this school. If I am true, I will just run to my brother's house in Enugu. Everyone who knows him has disappeared because he could fire back at them, and you were here supporting him.
Saint, come on. This cannot be true now. You want to tell me that Mike, all overnight, turned an armed robber? Nah. This is our friend we are talking about here. Oh, you know.
Just you had better believe me and deny him. Say you don't know him. Considering what they did to him, he could come back for revenge. As for me, I have denied even knowing him immediately this whole thing started. Because I contributed to his frustration.
Where are you going now?
Charles, I am leaving.
Eh?
I can't continue.
This guy is gone. I told you, man. I told you. Shit! Let me waste this guy. This guy's up to something. I told you. What are you doing, man?
If police get this guy, we are in trouble, my lord.
Maybe you know we'll reach.
Shut up, man.
Didi!
Bro, Mike.
Eh? Anybody came here looking for me?
No, brother. The police have not come again.
You have food?
Yes, brother. I cooked rice. Okay, let me.
Bring food now.
Okay.
Wait. Bring me one cap and a t-shirt and jeans. Quickly. Food. Give me the food. Wait. Where's the cap? Give me the cap.
Dick.
The jeans. Wait. Give me. Two. I'll leave the other jeans down here, okay?
Okay, brother, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Anybody come tell them I've traveled. I'm not in town. Eh? You hear? Okay, bye-bye.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Where is your brother?
Sir, he's not around though.
And your father?
He went to work, sir.
Where is his workplace?
Sir, my father doesn't have a workplace, so he has a sewing machine, so he do go around sewing for people. And I don't know where precisely he will be at the moment.
I see. Tell him we're here.
Alright, sir.
Morning. I want to make a phone call.
Okay. What's the number?
080
080
291 23411.
It's ringing.
Thank you. Hello? Hello, Nancy. Nancy, yes, me. It's me, Mike. No, you can't see me. You can't see me. Listen, meet me at Chairs Road tomorrow in the evening. Yes. I'm fine. Everything is okay. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. Okay.
Alright.
How much?
It's 1 minute, 20 naira.
Thank you.
Honorable, please sit down. Sit down and at least hear me out. Madam, we are searching every nook and cranny to ensure that the killer is brought to book. The VC, the school security, even the commissioner of police, all of them have interest in this case. I know we have not seen the killer, but there is one person who sees him on a daily basis.
Then what are you waiting for? Why don't you just arrest that person so that he or she will provide the killer of my son?
Calm down, madam.
Calm down?
Please calm down. Madam, do you want me to arrest your daughter?
Out of your freaking mind? What do you mean by arresting my daughter?
Madam, I have done this job for a good number of years.
So?
And considering the discussions I had with your daughter, I firmly believe that she is still seeing him.
Hmm?
Yes.
What?
Your daughter.
You like the food?
Yes, Mom, it's nice. Excuse me. Hello? Mike.
Who was that?
My friend, Miriam.
I heard you call Mike.
No, Mom, I said Mickey. Miriam, Mickey. I call her Mickey and she calls me same.
Call him or her Mickey, Mike, Miriam, Miranda.
Hello?
Hello, Nancy. This is Mike.
Mike, where are you?
I am the old man on your left-hand side.
My left?
Stay where you are. Stay where you are. I suspect there are some people following you. Maybe police.
Policemen?
On your right-hand side, down the road.
Yes.
So just go home and I will contact you, okay?
Are you okay?
I am fine.
Okay. I see you. I mean, yes, I'll call you when I get home. You call me, yes?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
What's that she's doing? Hello, madam. Mike did not show up again. Yes, ma. We are going back to the station. Yes, ma. Officer, let's go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Where's Mike?
He's not around.
Where is he hiding?
I don't know, sir. He didn't tell me where he was going to. All I know is that he's not in the house.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Eh?
Where is Mike?
Who are you and what do you want from Mike?
Believe me, old man, you don't want to know who I am.
Is that how you talk to your father?
Leave it alone. Let's go.
Hey.
You're not my fucking father. And tell him this is just the beginning. I'll be back again.
Mama, sorry. Please, sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't die, please, Papa.
Just wait, excuse me.
What's happening? Is everything alright?
Some group of boys came here in the morning and shot Papa.
What? Shot Papa where?
Somewhere here, brother.
Well, what about the neighbors? What did he say?
Everybody ran away. And Papa is saying he's weak.
Oh my God, listen. Take this money. Take this money. I will call Nancy. Nancy will meet up with you.
Okay, but brother, I even went to their house, but our mother didn't allow me to see her. Yes.
Don't worry, I will call Nancy. Have this one. I will call Nancy.
Okay.
Then she'll meet you at the hospital, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Hey, brother. The guy that shot Papa said his name is Supremo. Yes.
It's okay. Just go. Okay. I will get Nancy to meet you.
Okay.
Don't tell you didn't see me, oh.
Oh, take care.
Nancy, come and meet at the hospital, okay?
Okay, brother.
Open that gate.
Mom, madam say make I know open this, make I know allow you come up. Where you want go again?
Are you out of your mind? In my mother's house or in your mother's house?
Madam say make I know open the gate.
Go open it.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Doctor, please now. You can't leave him like this, please. There's still bullets inside his body. Let's just take him to the theater, please. You can't leave him like this, please.
My dear, I've done the best I can by giving him first aid treatment for now. And there will be no further treatment on him unless you get a note from the police.
No, doctor, no. Please, you can't leave him like this. Please, I'm begging you, please. Doctor, please, don't leave him like this.
My dear, don't you have any relative?
Good day, doctor. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Nancy, a friend to the family.
Okay.
How is he doing?
So far, so good.
The doctor said he can't treat him without the police consent.
Doctor, you can go ahead and treat him. I'll go to the police and get a covering note.
I'm sorry. It's not done that way. You have to get the note from the police first.
Doctor, you can't possibly sit by and watch this man die. You and I know he is not an armed robber. Please, just treat him. I'll go get the covering note and then anything can follow.
Please, do get a note from the police.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Alright. Didi, don't cry. It's okay. You wait here with him. I'll quickly go and see what I can do. Try and get a note or something. Okay?
Thank you.
My goodness.
I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. Every time I show my head, there's a man with a gun to shoot me down. And what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up.
Nancy, why are you driving like that?
I'm sorry, but somebody's life is in danger.
Whose life?
Mike's father. He was shot by the same gang, Supremo, who killed my brother. He's at the hospital now and they won't treat him unless we get a police report. St. Michael's Hospital.
Alright, let's go there.
Thank you so much.
Yes. The patient in the general ward extension, the one with the bullet wound, just died, sir.
What's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, there's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. This is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? Ooh, what's a poor boy to do?
On behalf of myself, the Dean of Student Affairs, the Student Union President, and the entire academic and non-academic staff of this university, I must congratulate you for doing a great job so far.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my guy. Thank you.
But most importantly, I must remind you, the image of this school is paramount. Okay? Now, Solomon Peters Mogalu, from now on, you take complete charge of the basketball team to the games. That is to say, you are the person leading us to the promised land. And to whom much is given, much is expected. We don't expect anything short of the Nougat Trophy from you. Are you assuring us?
Well, without further ado, sir, I want to thank you for the confidence you imposed on me. And I can assure you, at the conclusion of the Nougat Games, that trophy will be sitting on the table.
Nancy, where are you coming from? Oh, so now we rub shoulders. I gave an order and you countered it. Mommy, what? Instead of you to be sad over your brother's death, you're busy associating having good time with his killers. Mommy, shut up. Don't mommy me anything. Now can I have my keys? You can't do that. Don't you dare me. Don't dare me.
The Nougat gang is around the corner. Look, we find this guy tidying issue. Who will tidy issue before the police gets at him?
Kelly, you're right.
Yes, now.
But I still feel that shooting the father the first time we checked on him was very, very wrong. It's not right at all.
How do you mean finest?
Don't you think police could use that to trace us?
Ah. If I caught you,
in the form of...
So, not I'm trying to vibrate.
Just shut up there. Did the vibrate go well? And the same vibration where you get go vibrate us into trouble. Don't you understand? This malam where you shave every day, you don't get anything inside. This thing is simple. It's a game of chess. You must force something to draw something out. Now, as we don't fall the popsy now, we go fall out. Because if we no fall out, we go drop another thing. And when also we go drop them, they go until we fall out. We go drop out to join. Lord Supremo. Here, the monsieur, they vibrate go where. Out of our SS characteristic, let's femme la bouche, tajou taja.
Let the tajou go up or come down. The best thing is to dash the father. If you don't fall out, we'll go catch another person. Dash them too. I will dash them, they go to go find out. Lord Supremo.
So
you need to try to here.
number.
Let me do it. Thank you.
Hello?
Nancy, it's Mike.
Mike, where are you? I need to see you.
See me for what? Why do you want to see me? You think I didn't see you with the police? You brought them to arrest me? Is that what you've done?
Mike, it's not what you think. We're not here to arrest you. He's here to help you. The police officer witnessed your father's death. He wants to know more about Supremo and his gang.
Well, Nancy, you can tell that to the dogs because I'm not interested. I know it. That you know that I'm innocent. So why did you bring the police to come and arrest me? You've been pretending all along that I'm innocent. Is that it? And now you came with the police to arrest me. For what? So who can I trust now?
I know. Mike, I know you are innocent. I know. Listen. Prove it. Come out. Don't run away. Don't hide. Just come and prove it. I believe... Hello?
What number did he call?
He's calling from a pay call.
All right, Lancy, let's go. Let's go. Come on, man, let's go.
What do you mean he is innocent?
Madam.
What?
Like I told you, I have worked in the Criminal Investigations Department of the police for the past 12 years, and I have handled more complicated cases. Madam, he is just a victim of circumstance. It's okay. I know you don't believe me, but there is somebody I want you to meet.
And who is this?
It's all right. Let me get her. You see, madam, that's the lady, that's the girl
Hey, yeah. You again?
Madam, calm down.
You!
Madam, please calm down.
Calm down?
Calm down. Oh, this is Mike's sister.
Jeez!
The same gang that killed your son went to her house to kill Mike. But they did not meet him, so they shot the father instead. You can understand.
Inspector, how much did they bribe you for this? And how much did they pay you? Who bribed you?
Madam.
Ma, please, it's true. They want to kill my brother so that I will not tell the police they killed your son. Yes, it's true, please. Ma, please, listen to me, please.
How much did they pay you? You are a very stupid man. How much did they give to you that is worth my son's life? Inspector!
It's okay.
Do you know what? You are so stupid. And believe me, you are a disgrace to the entire police force. You know what? You know the way you came in? I want to see your back now. Get out through that way.
Madam.
Go out through the way you came in.
Madam, I will explain.
Don't explain! Get out! Out! Get out! I said I want to see your back. Come on, get out! Get out!
not here again.
Mike, please come out. I am not here to arrest you. But I thought you said you knew that we were coming.
Yes, he did. I'm sure he must have seen you and run off again.
Mike!
There's no point, Inspector. There's no point. Let's just go.
Okay, let's go.
I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. Every time I show my head, there's a man with a gun to shoot me down. And what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, no, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop.
Wakey sunshine.
What do you want from me?
Happy to see me? What I want from you. All I wanted you to do was play on my side. You know? Give me the respect I deserve. But no, you wanted to be the man. Look at you now. Messed up. And guess what? The police is looking for you because you killed Wilson.
I didn't kill Wilson. You killed Wilson.
Yeah, I know I killed Wilson. But you're the only evidence that will link me to the crime. Money and power, that's what makes the world, baby. So guess what? I'm gonna kill you too, and that's it. Bring his ass.
Get up!
This out. Beat the motherfucker.
Hey, Fred! Hold it! Hold it, hold it! I don't deal with them. Hey, Chuck, don't say anything! Hey! Stand, shut up! Move it, move it, move it! Move! 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 Hey, move! Don't stop! Move! Let's go!
What's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. And what's a poor boy?
You are now a free man. Nancy,
Thank you so much, officer.
please, make sure you always bring this man each time we need him.
Oh, certainly, I will.
What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere.
So this is how you want to pay me back for all I have done for you as a father? Do you know that I have not recovered from that shock? So, have you seen yourself? What have I not done for you, Solomon? Initially, I thought that it was my political opponents that wants to blackmail me. I never knew that it was my own son that I sent to school to learn that now turned a traitor. Now that you have tarnished my image, I will never forgive you.
Chief, it's okay now. You see, sometimes human beings can disappoint. Besides, from the look of things, you caused it.
How? Commissioner, how? I have done everything for him at beck and call.
That is it. Have you seen it? You over-pampered him. And that's why he answers Supremo. Inspector, take him back to the cell.
Commissioner, the ball is in your court. How do you assist me?
Chief, you called me some time ago to assist you on this case. I did my best by providing the killer of Honorable Mrs. Kema's son. Are you not satisfied?
Commissioner, you are my friend. It's my son that is involved here. How do we sort these things out within ourselves?
Chief, I will help you sort it out. Your son will face the law.
He's my son.
Yes, I know. If it were Mike, the first suspect, wouldn't he face the law? But now it has turned out to be your son. Listen, let me tell you, Chief. Nobody is above the law. I'm sorry to disappoint you.
Great Nigerian students. Great Nigerian students. Great Nigerian students. From Mike's story, one can see that whoever God blesses, no one can curse. Yes. That's correct. I want you all to learn a lesson from Mike's experience. He is destined by God to lead our institution to this game, which is why after all that happened, he's here waiting to represent us. He's only soliciting your prayers and support to enable him go and come back victorious as before. Mike, please come up. We can see victory all over you, and that means he will go and come back victorious as before. See? The boss is waiting out there. After this time out, match out with your team, because Nsuka is not a near distance. Once again, congratulations.
Confused. Chief agreed we are friends, but life is involved here. Your son killed my son, Chief. My only son.
It's all right. It's all right. Mrs. Kemba, I understand how you feel. I do. But we cannot afford to lose two people at the same time. Please. Mother. Please. I want you to have a flashback. Remember all I have done for you. Hope you still remember my effort when you lost your husband. When the party members wanted to deny you contesting from where your husband stopped. I met enemies among all the members. Please, I want you to save my son. Please. I know you would like to return. Come back for a second tenor. I'll do it for you. This is no question of politics, Chief.
This case is really beyond me. How can I save somebody who killed my only son? I thought it was another person who killed my son. Little did I know that it was the man whom I was pushing my daughter to marry. Somebody I thought would have been my future in-law. Oh, Wilson, my son. No.
Mom, I know what you're thinking about. It will not work. Who does he think he is? His son killed your son, my only brother, and then he offers you a political post to cover up for such a heinous crime? And you think about it? Mother, what are you thinking about? He will not be let off the hook so easily. He killed, he must face the long arm of the law. Justice must prevail, Mother. My goodness, I cannot believe you're even giving this a thought. I will not let you do that, Mother. He killed and he must face the drum. He has to. God! Please, sir. I'm counting on you. Please.
Nancy, you have nothing to worry about. Like I told you, you have nothing to worry about. Thank God I have a police commissioner who is disciplined and believes in the rule of law.
My brother will be happy wherever he is if justice prevails.
See, like I told you, I promise there will be no sentiments. Not at all. On Monday, they will be taken to court. So you have nothing to worry about.
Thank you. That means I should contact our family lawyer immediately.
Why don't you get another lawyer?
Okay, I'll get another lawyer.
Very well then.
Thank you so much. I should take my leave now.
You have no problem. Thank you.
Barrister Ken, Mike is your friend. You and I know that he's incapable of such heinous crime. Please, you have to do everything in your stride to help. Please.
You have nothing to worry about. Mike was in his first year when I was going for my law school. We have come a long way in life as good friends. When I heard about him being a suspect over this case, I made up my mind to defend him.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I have learned from you that a friend in need is a friend indeed.
It's okay. His case is my own case. And I want to assure you that I will do my best
And nobody is above the law under this earth, no matter who we are in the society. Okay?
Thank you so much, Kia.
I will handle it personally.
You can't guess the burdenness of my chest now. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I'll stay closely in touch.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's okay.
Hello? Mike? Hey you, how are you? You what? Oh my god! I'm sorry. You won? My goodness, I am so happy for you. Everybody's fine. When are you coming back? You are just right on time. Yes. Of course, I'll tell everybody. You be careful. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you. Just be careful and get back here. There you go, hero. Bye.
Auntie Nancy, what's the excitement all about?
Mike finally won the game.
Thank God. When is he coming back?
He said he's coming back in 2 days' time.
Are you sure?
Right on time.
When? As in, is it in the morning or in the night? I can't wait to see my brother.
No questions. Eat and then go and do your homework.
Auntie, are you sure?
Eat!
Ladies and gentlemen, I actually invited you here today to enable me apologize to all of you who were involved, especially Mike, for the way I treated him. It's now that I understand what Wilson, my son, meant when he called me one day. Mommy, I answered. He said that there are two ways to greatness. That some people were born great, while others achieve greatness through hard work and perseverance. Michael. I want to tell you today that from this moment henceforth, I will take charge of your welfare and upkeep. Besides, I want you to take this house as your home so that you live close to your loved one until both of you graduate. Nancy?
Wow.
How about that?
Thank you.
I'm grateful, Ma. I'm very grateful that I've been vindicated. In the long run, it's just unfortunate that my father, my sister, and even Nancy had to go through so much pains and difficulties concerning this situation, and it's all because of me. I just want you both to know that I'm sorry, and I ask you to forgive me.
Brother Mike, it's okay. Let's just thank God that victory is ours now.
Yes. Yes, victory is ours. Ma, I want to thank you for the offer. I humbly accept it. That henceforth, I will take you as my mother. And I will make this home my home as well. It's just a pity that Wilson has passed on. But I know he still lives.
It's all right. Come here, my son. Come here.
I love my girl, but her mother wants me to go away. I'm running helter-skelter, running all over town. Every time I show my hand, there's a man with a gun to shoot me down. And what's a poor boy to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere, and what's a poor boy to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I gonna do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. No, no, if this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? What's a poor boy to do? What am I going to do? No place to hide, nowhere to run to. If this is a dream, I want to wake up. If this is a joke, I want it to stop. There's trouble everywhere. What's a poor boy to do? Ooh, what's a poor boy to do?